Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today we address where to find your no-code editor from your dashboard. As an admin from your dashboard, you have access to different tabs, and in the design section on your top right corner, you can create a new one. Here you identify it clearly and then you get to choose a template. You have here our library. This library is organized in 3 sections. In the first one, you have the default templates, and they are all no-code editor, and they are signaled to you by a badge. In the third section, you have the HTML templates. These do not have the badge. This is how you can recognize one from another. Now, on the second section, you have templates customized by you. So here, this section gathers all the existing templates, and by clicking on one of them allows you to duplicate it before you make any changes. Now that is a great practice because it ensures that any changes you might make will not affect the final result on your existing templates. So it is a great way for you to experiment, change things without affecting the result on the existing ones. So I'll cover the steps again. From your dashboard, design section, top right, create a new one, identify, choose, and then here make sure to choose one that has the badge. And there you go. You are on the no-code editor from your dashboard. Now that you know where to find your no-code editor from your dashboard, we will see together the different specifics of this editor in the next videos of this series. As usual, if you have any questions or if you encounter any problems, the email address is in the description down below, and I will see you in the next one.